We are exploring a ways to enhance and improve our home, our lifestyle and environment. HVAC also plays a very vital role as far as our lifestyle concerned. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you at another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. As rightly you heard, in this video, we'll be exploring it, how energy efficient products can make an impact in your day-to-day life, whether it is required for your home or office. In this video, we will explore and understand like how efficiently the latest equipment and the latest HVAC systems can impact in our life. We will walk through the entire process and understand the benefits. So I'll take you to my screens here and we'll crack the code and understand step by step to getting into the depth and detail, like what are the pros and cons and what are the advantages we are going to get out of it. So as you could see on my screen, first of all, we'll discuss the concept. So when we talk about the energy efficient product or a highly efficient product, only three things comes immediately in my mind. First of all, we have to understand all the HVAC equipment, whether it is old or new equipment or latest technology. Prominently, we buy the equipment to maintain the indoor comfort and air quality. Now, second thing comes in the mind, like we'll be looking a high energy efficient system where we can get the several advantages as far as the compared to traditional product. So prominently, if I talk about conceptually, like your basically, I'm going to derail here, like how energy efficient products can benefit you as compared to the traditional units. And third things which comes into all the HVAC equipments are not created equally. So here the idea behind this is to saying that when you will be selecting a product, whether for your office or home, you need to get into the depth and detail to understand like what are the benefits and advantages you are going to get with the those equipment which you will be procuring it. Or here I would suggest you can get expert advice who can able to make analysis and he can able to give you feedback like what kind of equipment is suitable for your residence or office and how you are going to get benefited out of it. So prominently what we have understood is when we talk about a air conditioning or HVAC product or any efficient product, when we are looking in terms of comfort and cooling of indoor air quality, or I could say like purification of air, then the whole thing comes into the picture. So we'll get into the first of all understanding like when we have to upgrade the HVAC system with a high energy efficient system, what are those benefits which we are going to get it out of it. So first thing immediately comes is the significant energy saving. See, whatever latest product you are procuring it today, you will be getting it more energy saving products. And this basically, when you'll be procuring it high energy efficient products, this will have a less energy consumption, or it will be meeting up your requirement in terms of a heating and cooling of your space. So first of all, you are going to get a benefit in terms of your less energy consumption. Second, you will be, as per US Department of Energy, they have done a survey and they have found out when you'll be buying an energy efficient product, you will have a more power saving as compared to the traditional equipment. So you would be probably saving at 20 to 50% energy as compared to the traditional equipment or traditional HVAC system, what is you are using it, which is a old one or a traditional one. And then when you will compare the entire thing, you can check like what is the return on investment, because probably there may be possibilities like you'll be buying equipment, but that equipment will be costing on a little higher side. But when you'll calculate the entire recurring cost in terms of your energy consumption, you will be on a higher side in terms of saving money. So you can calculate the return of investment when you will be going with the energy saving equipment. As I told you in the concept part, like when you'll be selecting the equipment, you have to see the overall working, and based on that you have to take a wise decision where it will be helping you it will be a pocket friendly, and same time you will be having it more saving. So significant energy saving always have a less power consumption, and it will be helping you to meeting up your requirement, and parallelly it will be the less saving. It will be less, it will be pocket friendly. Then second point comes is the enhanced comfort. When we talk about enhanced comfort, it will be delivering you a better temperature control. Second thing, you will get a consistent airflow throughout in your home or office, wherever you are requiring. And it will be basically like whatever latest systems are there, they are using it variable speed motor. So when you will have a variable speed motor used in your equipment, it helps you to adjust the airflow based on your requirement, based on your need. And when you'll be consuming less, when you'll be meeting up your requirement is as far as the cooling and heating concern, it will be also impacting in terms of a power saving, because you may not be wasting energy, you'll be rather saving energy. So you'll be getting comfort one side, and when you have a enhanced energy equipment, it will also help you to meet up your comfort. It will also help you to saving on energy front. So when you compare a traditional equipment with your latest energy equipment, this will make sure that you will have a data in front of you, like where you'll be having a more saving in terms of when you'll be going with a more energy efficient equipment. Now, third thing comes is improved air quality. When we talk about improved air quality, superior filtration options are available in a higher energy efficient products, which you may not be getting it in the traditional equipment. So when you'll be using a superior filtration option, it will help you to prevent from the dust, allergic, and pollens. So here you will have advantage when you'll be utilizing superior quality. So health will be a prime factor which everybody is looking in today's drainage, and you will be having a upper hand here when you'll be using it the latest equipment as far as the health concern. There are some equipments which is coming with a humidity control feature, and this prominently helps you to prevent the growth of mold and mildew. So you'll be completely, you'll be getting it at probably 99.99% of a germs-free home, where, or office rather, where you will be having it pure and healthier. Because today air quality is not only related to just getting a cooling or heating, it also helps you to getting it more pure and healthy air, where you will have a good health and good ambient and environment. So this enhances the comfort and healthier living for any human being. And this is what we have discussed in the concept part, where people are exploring all the options and opportunity where they can have a enhanced home ambient, where they can have a good lifestyle, and they can be problem free, they'll be germ free, and they will have a healthy and prosperous life. So improved air quality will help you to doing that. So by this time you would have understood when we'll be covering a third point, like if you will be comparing with a traditional equipment to the latest high energy efficient products, this will be latest equipment. It will be fitted with all the ammunition which will help you to meeting up your current requirement, and it will be a pocket friendly, and it will be saving you more and more energy as far as the total equipment concern. And then fourth point comes is environmental benefit. See, when you'll be using a high energy efficient product, these products are designed in such a manner like it will be reduce carbon footprint. So ultimately you'll be contributing to the society, contributing to the country, because you'll be emitting a less carbon footprint, and ultimately you'll be contributing to the global warming, where everybody is talking with a bigger voice, like you should contribute, you should reduce the carbon footprint, so it will be it will impact less to the the ambient condition. So that is the fourth benefit which you will be getting it with the high energy efficient product. Now, fifth point comes, which is very essential and important according to me, and you will also agree to me that quieter operation. See, today will agree to me that everybody wanted to have a noise-free life. So when you are thinking about having a noise-free life, these machines are designed on working on a very quieter operation as compared to the traditional equipment. And consider it like you are working, because today most of the organization, whether it is IT field or any other field, people are working from home, and obviously when you are working from home, you may need to have a quieter operation where you have a more peace and more soundless equipment which will not be disturbing you in your activity, whatever you are doing it. Same time, you will have an elderly person who may be requiring a quieter place, and if you have these latest equipments at your home or office, it will help you to maintain the quieter ambient and environment, which will be beneficial for each one of us or anybody who will be using it. So this is another added advantage which you get along with the latest or high energy efficient systems. Now, sixth point comes is longer lifespan. When we talk about longer lifespan, built with a higher quality component, see, all these equipments which is coming with a higher energy efficient, it is all built with a high quality component, high quality of sheet metal and material. So that when you have a high quality equipment or components used in your equipment, obviously your longevity will be more, and it will have advanced technology. So you will be loaded with the advanced technology. And third one is it will help you on long-term saving, and you will have a peace of mind. It is you may be paying it upfront a little bit more as compared to your traditional equipment, but when you will calculate your recurring cost, because you have to bear one thing in the mind, there is a monthly recurring cost is also involved as far as your HVAC equipment concerned or any energy efficient product concerned. So when you will be calculating the long term, like you'll be using it for 6 months or 1 year continuously, what is the kind of money you are going to sell out from your pocket? And when you'll calculate everything, you will find it will be more pocket friendly, and you will be saving more money as compared to the traditional equipment. And then seventh and last point comes is increase property value. This is one thing which you will totally agree to me that today a lot of constructions are happening, lot of new infrastructures are getting built, and buyers are going through every minute particle of the building construction, the equipment, what is getting fitted it. And if you are going to supply or provide a property with the latest equipment or energy saving equipment, then certainly your property valuation is going to be on upper side, because any buyer who is investing in any property or any system, they are knowing about the benefits and advantages of that, and there you will have upper hand, and it will help you to increase your property value. So I hope with this 7-step process, I have given you a lot of insight, like upgrading to high energy or high efficiency HVAC system will always have an upper hand as compared to the traditional. You may be not investing in the upfront when you'll be buying a traditional or older equipment, but in long run, if you'll compare, when you'll make a chart and you will start analyzing, you will come to know that you are bleeding as far as the traditional equipment is concerned. And today government has also brought a lot of norms where government is also emphasizing, and they are putting a conditions to all the manufacturers in our country, like create energy efficient products which will be environment friendly, it will be pocket friendly, and it can save more energy and more power. So using these equipments are certainly going to get you benefited. And I am hoping with this video, I have given you a lot of insight, which will be certainly helping you to taking your right decision as far as the high energy efficient products concerned, which will be ultimately going to impact on your long run. And if you are a HVAC expert, professional, or a specialist, then I'm giving a link here. I'm giving a link in the description also. So if you require any expert advice related to HVAC, or if you wanted to bring your business online, where you wanted to scale your business, when you wanted to improve your sales, where you wanted to curtail down on your expenses, and in what you wanted to enhance and improve your profitability, then you can connect with me for 30 to 45 minutes, which is absolutely free. Clicking the link below, you can connect with me, and whatever issues and challenges you are facing, you can share with me, and I can give you expert advice, which will help you to say scaling your business to the next level and taking your business to the new heights. And if you like my topic, then please do share with your friends and colleagues so they can also get benefited with this. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. If you are not like my channel, then please do like, and don't forget to pressing the bell icon, because I'm keep on publishing lot of HVAC related sales, business, or industry related topics, which may be certainly benefiting you in long run. So please do press the bell icon, and you will be getting intimated or you will be getting a notification whenever I'll be putting my next video. So with this topic, with this note, I'm closing my video here. See you soon with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless you.